Hi friends, myself Google Das. Today I am going to describe about coordinate geometry. This is the chapter number 7 of class 10 mathematics. This is our first educational video. Our channel is Marks, grow with us. Hope you will like this video. What we are going to describe about in this video is that distance between the 2 points. This is, we have given one point P, x1, y1 and another point Q, x2, y2. So we are going to describe how we get the distance between these 2 points. So let's start this video. We have given P points. So what we did, we draw a line. This is the PQ line. So we need to calculate the distance between these 2 points, PQ. So we first draw a perpendicular from this P point on O x-axis. So this is R point. Okay. So P here perpendicular on O x-axis. And another from Q point we draw one perpendicular. This is S. So QS perpendicular on OX axis. We again draw one perpendicular. This is PT. This PT is perpendicular on QS. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the distance between the OS, distance between OR. So what is the distance between the OR? The distance of this OR is the x coordinate of this point P1. So x coordinate of this point is x1. So OR distance is equal to x1. Again, OS. What is the distance of the OS? It will be, we can calculate similarly. OS, Q point, we have given Q point. Its coordinate is x2, y2. So OS is its x coordinate. Distance of OS is its x coordinate. So we have given x coordinate, this is x2. So OS equal x2. Again we will calculate this distance PR and this distance PS, QT. Let's start. PR. PR is nothing but its y coordinate. Y coordinate of P point. So PR will be y1. Again QS. QS is nothing but y coordinate of point Q. So this is given y2. Okay. We need some figures. We need this point, this fraction RS or PT. So PT is equal to RS because PT is parallel to RS and this distance is similar. We can again calculate from the picture also. We have given PT and RS are same distance. So PT and RS is equal. So we can calculate RS by subtracting from OS. This is subtracting OR from OS. We can calculate this distance RS. And this RS is equal to PT. Okay. We have given OS is x2 and OR is given x1. Okay. We got this point. This is nothing but x2 minus x1. Again we need this fraction QT. How we can calculate this QT? QT is, again we can calculate QT. This is QS. If we subtract this TS from QT, we will get QT. Okay. QT is equal to QS minus TS. From this figure, we assume that we have given TS is equal to PR because these two are parallel lines. So TS is replaced by PR. Okay. So we have given QS is here, Y2. Again we have given PR is Y1. Okay. We got this fraction also. This is Y2 minus Y1. Now what we need? We need this distance PQ. So if we know Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, what is h square, this is hypotenuse square, is equal to L square plus B square. Perpendicular and this is base. In this figure, hypotenuse is PQ. So PQ square, because we are calculating from this triangle, PPQ. This is a right angle triangle because this is a right angle. So we will calculate from this right angle triangle according to Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, in this figure perpendicular is, sorry, hypotenuse is PQ, so PQ square plus perpendicular is PT square plus this is base is QT square. So we got the PQ square, value of PQ square, but what we need only value of PQ. So we have to take root of this figure, that is PT square plus QT square. Okay, this was given PQ square equal PT square plus QT square. So what is the value of PQ? It is simple root of this PT square plus QT square. Okay, now we have given PT is equal x2 minus x1. Okay, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus we have given q2 y2 minus y1. So this is y2 minus y1 whole square. So you got the distance between these 2 points PQ. What is the distance between PQ? It's simple, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? x2 is the coordinate of one point Q, and what is x1? X coordinate of point P, and y2 is y coordinate of the point Q, and y1 is the y coordinate of the point P. So according to this formula we can calculate the distance between any 2 points. But here is 2 simple cases. We will start these 2 cases. If one of the 2 points is our center, then figure will be like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is our center O. Its coordinate is, we all know, this is 0, 0. Suppose we have given one point P. Here is one point P. Okay, its coordinate is x and y. If we need to calculate this distance, that is O and P, then according to this formula we can calculate this distance OP. So OP, what will happen? Here is, suppose x1 is this x and x2 is 0. Then according to this formula, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Because in this figure y2 is y and y1 is 0. Okay, so if we minus this, we will get x square plus y square. This is often asked in the exam. So what is the distance if one of the point is center? Then we will simple answer is x square plus y square. X is the x coordinate of the point and y is the y coordinate of that point. Okay, another cases, special cases. What is this is PQ. PQ we have got x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But we can also calculate this distance like this: x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. In this formula we first take x2, but in this formula we first take x1. In this formula we first take y2, here we take y1. The result will be same, because if we get negative result in subtracting x2 from x1, but when you square it, it will give same result. So our result will be not affected if you write this formula or this formula. Okay, so in this video we got distance between the PQ. PQ is simple, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then distance from the center is x1 plus y1 whole square. Now we are going to calculate distance between 2 points. That is the application of this formula. So in class 10 mathematics, this is chapter number 7.1 exercise. So we have given in this question 2 point, 2, 3 and 4, 1. Okay, we then assume that this is P point, okay, and this is Q point. Now we need to calculate the distance between these 2 points, P and Q. So how we can calculate? For this, formula is same. PQ equal x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But before we go to start according to this formula, let's calculate what is x1. x1 is nothing but x coordinate of this point P, So this is 2, and y1 is nothing but the y coordinate of this point P, that is 3, and x2 is equal to x coordinate of this point Q. So this is given 4, and this is x1 is equal to 1. Okay, we have got x2, x1, y1, x2, y. Sorry, this is y2. Okay, so we simply put this values in this formula. So x2 is given 4 minus x1 is given 2. This will be whole square plus y2 is given 1 and y1 is given is 3. This is whole square. So 4 minus 2 is simple 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. So 2 square means 4 minus 2 square means 4. So we will get rooted is equal to 2 into root 2. So this is the procedure how we calculate the distance between the 2 points. Here we have given 2 points 2, 3 and 4, 1. We assume that this is P point and this is Q point. Then according to our formula, how we calculate the formula? This is our formula. Okay, formula is PQ equal x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So according to the formula, if we put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, we will get this value. Okay, so thank you for viewing this our video. So this is our first video. Please like and subscribe our channel Marks Grow With Us, and in our comment section let us know what another chapter you want to know from us. We have also expert from our political science, economics and English. Let us know what you need to know from us. Thank you.